great. This is how you would get your food at the drive-in. They would put a tray on your windshield and just put it right here. Oh, no way. Oh, thank you. Oh, you need your milkshake. Let's go. Here we go. Chili cheese dog. Onion rings. I got a little bit of... Because that's how much I thought. So this is the first
we only have crackers, chips, and pretzels. I'll sugar bowl and a Coke.
Let's do drinks first. Well, I know this is buttermilk. This and now it's all the rage. Dude, I wouldn't guess Pizza Hut in there.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain with the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Spotify.
It's not even a burger. Okay, I didn't know Sonic ever served a fish from their sandwich.
Oh no.
You sure about that? That's better than Waffle. Whoa, but also, there's more. Apparently, Sonic invented the Frosty. No, that's Wendy's. Who did that to? You're telling me that Sonic came up with the Waffle first and the Frosty? Yes, sir. This is not a Frosty. This is just frozen.
Maybe your seat upright.
They froze soda and
Buckle?
decided to freeze milk later on.
Yeah, he got it.
The 50s beat the 30s. So far, 30s has been unstoppable for 2 decades now. 3, 2, 1. 50s. 50s is going up, baby.
Buckle up, right?
We got the Taco Bell from the 60s.
Napkins.
The Wendy's, which I already made the jokes. I'm not going to say no this one. The whole menu was 6 items, including tostadas and frijoles. So this is the price of Taco Bell from the 60s, and it still stays true to this day. They are cheap. Speaking of choices, we have like a taco burger. Oh, Chase, it's a chili burger. You also got chili. I got Wendy's. So, Preston, you know the rule about Wendy's meat? Please tell us about Wendy's meat. So they're known for not freezing it at all. So what happens when they have a surplus amount of meat? They make it into chili. Really? Isn't that pretty chill? Yeah. Is this just genuinely tastes like you took the taco and instead of putting it in between the hot sauce, you put it in? Wait, that's really good. It's really good. That's a sweetness. Hey, yo, I have what is it called? The Frosty? No, it's not just a Frosty. This is a chocolate Frosty dairy dessert. It tastes good. I've always said that Wendy's has really good chicken sandwiches, and they got great burgers. And they actually have surprisingly really good French fries. But they can't beat McDonald's, but they're still pretty good. Oh, dude, wait, that reminds me. McDonald's was the first ever fast food chain to release a commercial, and we're going to watch it. Will do.
Flight attendants, please be seated for take.
Guess who when Ronald came out was the 60s? What is this, bud? What is it around his waist? No way. Why is his burger down there? Hey, Chase, would you please take my burger? Of course. I should let it feel. Yeah, we're ready to leave the 60s as soon as possible. So we got the 50s versus the 60s. 3, 2, 1. No, what? You crazy?
Oh,
It's the 50s are freaking crazy. 50s are better.
Whoa.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Oh. Freddy Fazbear. Oh. The Fazbear.
I told you that McDonald's stole the Happy Meal. An old burger chain called Burger Chef started the kids' meal trend and tried suing McDonald's for copying. But Burger Chef lost the lawsuit and would eventually be bought out by Hardee's in the late 90s. No, it's pretty sick. Yeah, like I told you, this is goodness before he tried to kill us all with his milkshake. Alright, should we open our Happy Meals? Sure. Do I get a car? Bro, what the? This is a horse.
Freddy Fazbear. Oh. Freddy Fazbear. Oh. Freddy Fazbear. Oh.
Alright, well, let's go ahead and just rate it. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
It's not a diet soda. They didn't make the supersized packaging. This is like their small. Look at this. Come on! Most importantly, we finally chicken nuggets. Finally! It only took 50 years to get here. They're so good. I have a feeling the 70s.
It's a trust me for the plane.
They had a whole commercial about their nuts. Where do I go back?
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Probably made of in chicken nuggets. I would take that. Dude, life supply nuggets in the town. Well, other than my super size, the Big Mac. Panda Express. So, fun fact, Preston, there's a hotel called Panda Inn, and they love their food so much that they decided to make a restaurant and call it Panda Express. The people chow. Or it's change chicken. I don't know, dude. I think I like mine more. Oh, ooh, that's a massive egg roll. You couldn't get closer? No. You ever played chicken? This isn't Chicken Express. It's Panda Express. I will say orange chicken does slap. My orange flavored chicken I have not tried. It tastes great. What is this? I don't know. I was just thinking about what is this? Is it an employee training video? Look, if you want to watch this entire video, we will link it in the description. It's a 20-minute video on how the employees are supposed to make these nuggets. Back to the food, though. This is a big decision right now. Happy Meal or Big Mac and Nuggets? 3, 2, 1, maybe. Oh, no, dude. But the Big Mac, the nostalgia, the someone else has to settle this question. It's you call her from the 90s. Fucking I mean, yes, 40 still has to. I'll follow her. I have her on speed dial. This is a big one. Yeah, what wins? The 80s or the 70s? 70s we had Happy Meals, but the 80s we had Big Nuggets and a Big Mac.
Welcome aboard. I am a starter.
You gotta decide right now. That's right.
Now we have landed.
That's why, baby.
I was started, now we have landed. Now we have landed. Please be still. We're taxiing. Please be still seated. Please be still seated. Iyo ba? The girl in the back yelling, but we don't care. Shalom, motherfucker. Shalom. Habibi. Hey. Hey, Habibi. Hey, Habibi. Hey, Habibi. This is fun before this retires. It isn't. This retires. Okay. I'm a starter. I'm a starter. I'm a starter. I'm a starter. My plane is always the plane you started. It's the plane you started. What? Why do you? Okay. Oh, where's this woman? Hey, Habibi. We got a woman. Oh, we got a woman arrested. Nearly crashed. I want to just see. Begin the live sharing news. This is 30's air second flight. 30's air second flight. This is 30's air second flight. So I don't care. So I don't care. I don't do airlines. How do you get your own? How do you get your own airline name? How do you get your own airline name? Make it up. How? How?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Where? Where? Oh my gosh, sir. It's gonna get annoying. Where? Where? Where button? Where the button? Where button? Where button? Where button? Oh, just make it up.
Hindi kailangan gastos. Ikaw lang sapat na. 30 pesos lang sa agagan mo. Mas masarap at tapiputin ang hinaluan ng tamis at pagmamahal. Give Itzy a second chance with Dr. Puti Suka.
Purple it. Is that plate? plane. Is that plane mine? It's purple. It's purple. The plane. Yeah. No blue pink. We call it purple and just take it
Flight
outside
attendants,
now.
please be seated for takeoff.
You go. I'm at New York, bruh. Did you say that when I was heading to the runway? Yeah. Yes. Bluing, purple, and red bottom.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our
We
cruising
spotted a crossing.
altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
OMG.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain from the flight deck. We've been told by air traffic control to expect some moderate turbulence up ahead. We'll try our best to give you a smooth ride, but expect some bumps over the next couple of minutes.
I'm okay.
I'm pretty sure school is this way. Okay, I got this. I'm not gonna die. I'm gonna get to school.
Doing.
I'm not gonna die. Not even a single time. I'm not gonna die. Okay, what does that say? Don't walk. Okay, I will walk. What is that? Is that a dog? Why does that look like an NPC? Hello? That is the most attractive Robloxian I've seen. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You have a little shaking happening.
I seriously thought that was a real person. If I ever see someone walking like that in Roblox, I'm actually gonna block them. No questions asked. Okay,
You have a little shaking happening.
Wait, it's green. That means I can cross. I can cross.
I didn't.
Okay. Checkpoint.
Wait, no
Yes,
one-
Yes. Stage 3. Stage 3. I am literally. I hope I'm close to school right now. Okay, I got this. I gotta walk through the gas
Yeah.
station, right? That's what I gotta do.
Go through
Dun,
there.
dun, 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 dun.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and we'll be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
It's not even following a path. It's just going where it wants to go.
There's two systems here.
Hold on, let me pull
So,
up the chair. This guy's
have a
Are you serious?
have a good flight. We are heading Robloxia. Heading to Robloxia. We our second flight. Flight. Have a nice sleep. every shining light. Shining light.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
My toe and fell to death. Tripped my toe. What are
Me
you
too.
looking at? Okay, perfect time. Perfect. No. I'm going here. Okay, and then when it goes there, yes.
Rosswood
yes.
will never.
Yes. Okay, where do we go now? Yes, of course. I'll follow the guy that has this as his shirt. Yes. I got that.
Who stole your?
I got the checkpoint. I don't even know what to say at this point. Okay, I can't touch the water, but that's probably pee. And that would make sense. If you step on a pee stain,
Or is
there's a
that
high chance you will die.
points and blah.
My face landed in it! Oh, there's a knife. I didn't know there's a knife there until I was hit it. Fine.
My body.
Hey, I'm genius. I'm a genius. Go. I don't know where to go.
Rosswood Air.
Oh, there's a key. Okay, get the key.
Can I remind you? Can I remind you? Can I remind you?
Thank you. Nice. Where's the nuke? Oh no! Where's the nuke? I regret that I had
Rosswood Air.
Don't take it in! It broke the game!
Is
It broke the whole game! No! There's a giant hole in the map now. This is a lot worse than I expected. Does this mean we're not going to get to school?
no by planes.
Wait! My guy just walked all the way around. That's meant to be possible. That's not legal. There's no way. There is no way that is possible.
You're gonna buy things.
I think
Glare.
I can do that. Robux for me. Robux for you. Okay. Game plan. I need to analyze the trajectory. Okay, so as soon as it go. Boy, I made it. How, excuse me. Can you move your... Stand! Okay. Who did this? Why did this? When did this? Who and where? Why? I knew it.
Starter.
Ah,
I have starter pilots.
what do I look like this? Okay, whatever. I don't care. I do not care. I don't even look like myself. This is good. This is a disguise. This is what I had to do to begin. Where's we doing? Is it? That's it? Is that easy? Okay, need to find key. Why is there a key for everything? Okay, I guess I gotta go here and then don't want to get don't want to die. Don't want to die. And then I gotta cross and is it really this easy? I do not want to die to that thing, whatever that is. I have a feeling you don't go there because that's an NPC. Yeah, you're gonna die. I'm sorry. Don't do it. Wait, there's a key that... What is the trick? Is there... How did you get...
Is robot that's typing for
I
himself.
just gotta walk on it. That's the trick. How did you know that? How does this man know more than me?
Is robot that's typing for himself.
Wait. Are we staying outside of the shadow? Is that what this is? These NPCs are really getting on my nerves. Okay. Go.
He's typing like an announcement, bro. He's typing like an announcement, bro.
I got it. Okay. Now I wait. No, don't push me. Please. Okay.
But it's like, bro.
I did it. I'm doing the thing. Oh no, not this guy catching up.
This flight is on.
Not the
This flight. now.
Shadow. What is that? No! Don't! Just stop! Okay, I'm okay. I'm okay. I've got the key. I just gotta go here, here. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. Don't, you can't go there. You can't go there. Ah, okay. Okay.
Bro is now 13 years old. Bro is now 13 years old.
Oh, I did too. Okay, what is going
Bro
on
is now
here?
13 years
Oh,
old.
it's the attack helicopters doing what they do best. Let me just... Like, what, is that easy? I can just walk through. Why did that look so hard? What is gonna happen?
I think
I do not want that to happen to me.
I think you are
My
8.
game plan. Just go!
So
Jump, wait, what? How is that? How did that just... Get
so
up!
after 5 years,
Go! Go!
You're
Go, go,
14?
go, 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 go,
You're
go.
14
This way, this way, this way, go, go, go,
5
go, 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 go,
years,
go,
after
go,
5
go,
years,
go.
after 5,
I'm doing it. I'm going to school. I'm gonna make it to school.
years I'm role play.
I made it. I made it to whatever this is. Okay, where do I go now? I think the NPCs are trying to trick me.
You're
I guess I will
14. You're 14. Whatever. But you type like it. Habibi. I mixed. I mixed 5 years of role playing with your age. With your age. There's light. There's light. There's light. The Robloxian ng TTG daw. Wait lang. Wait.
Bakit? Why?
What? Wait, is that true?
Bakit? Me! Nag mo na si Mami.
So I have a little more time? So that I have a little more?
Wala na. Porkit nag-kiss ka lang? Bakit nakasaksak yan?
Uy!
Ayaw mo yun. Nagkatrabaho ako. Nakakalaba.
Daddy, wait lang ha?
Ka pa.
Quick. Isa quick, okay?
Nang may isang
Isa
tulog.
quick.
Pag
Isa
uwi mo,
quick.
nakapulot
Isa
sila.
quick,
Kain na
okay?
sila.
Isa U-I-C-K. Quick! Vacation is that fast. Is that fast? Same. Sorry, man. Sorry, man.
Pwede.
Let's open all the overhead.
Bakit wala ka ng vape? May vape ka kanina.
I didn't put it on.
Ayaw sa open. Sabi ko ikaw lang magsuot kasi. Ayaw sa open.
Dali na, dali na.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.